Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, my dear friends. I hope all of you are doing great. And my dear friends, this video is going to be very amazing and very helpful for all of you, because in this video I am going to share with all of you about what to wear on a beach vacation, and especially the things that why we consider the beach cover-ups as essentials. And along with that, I'm going to share so many pretty designs of beach cover-ups for you. So let's talk about why beach cover-ups are a beach essential. But before discussing and before watching those all pictures and all the content, I request all my dear friends and lovely members, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time, and hit like and share my video with others. I'm so thankful to all of you for your kind support and your positivity. So, dear friends, while talking about beach and what to wear on a beach vacation, it is very important because people love to go on a beach vacation, and it is totally considerable what they are going to pack for their beach vacation. So, my dear friends, if you are going on a beach vacation, you are most likely going to be spending some time at the beach. So, really, there are three types of clothing and three outfit styles you need to pack for a beach vacation. And clothing such as resort wear, like for the times when you are hanging around the resort and something like that. And after that, you need to pack the clothing for exploring and clothing for the beach itself. And today we are going to cover clothing for the beach actually, and of course it includes beach cover-ups. So if you want to know about more style tips and more information on the outfits that you could wear while exploring your beach destination, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep watching, because I would be sharing so many other beautiful videos with you. So in this category, I am just covering the beach outfits or beach cover-ups. And here on your screens there are so many beautiful photos that you can consider for taking ideas. And for example, if you think about the question that what to wear on a beach, the answer can be very simple. A swimsuit, of course, not much to it, but if you are taking the time to research and are reading something in relevance to this, I think you put a little more effort into what you wear and what to be sure while, and you actually want to be sure about things that you are packing, they are right things, because nothing sucks more than not packing the right items you need, or packing everything you think you need but in the end not liking any of it. It happens sometime. If it happened with any of you sometimes, let me know in the comment section and share your experience. So, and when we talk about beach dresses, these cover-ups are so beautiful and so essential, and they are actually also a protective kind of clothes to protect yourselves from even sun and all the other things for me. So beach cover-ups are, I believe, that essential. And for example, if you talk to me or if you ask me that am I going to beach, so I would not be there without beach cover-ups. So the question arises, why? Because beach cover-ups protect us from the sun, while many of us go to the beach to get that lovely sun-kissed glow. Too much sun exposure is a bad thing, you know. So excess sun exposure causes wrinkles, age spots, and accelerates the effects of aging, and also increases the risk of skin cancer. You can read more about it, or you can explore more about it, about the effects of sun exposure somewhere using any web explorer. So, a stylish way to protect yourself from the sun is with a beach cover up. So, if you are planning on spending an entire day relaxing at the beach, which is probably why you flew to a gorgeous paradise in the first place, so plan on wearing a beach cover up for at least a portion of the time because it is highly essential for you to protect you. And it is about once you have spent a decent amount of time in the sun, put on your beach cover up to stay protected from the remainder of the time, or you can alternate every couple of hours between bikini only and your beach cover up. So the necessary beach the actually we when we talk about the necessity for a beach cover up doesn't end with just sun protection. It is also a very useful item when you are walking to and from the beach. You want something to cover up, particularly when walking through common areas like the lobby or a bar. And at most resorts, your pool may be a bit of a walk, and if you don't like walking around in just a bikini, then a beach cover up is a must. So you can see all these beautiful pictures are here to give you ideas about the stylish and trendy beach cover-ups that are going to protect you as well as giving you the style that you want. So when we talk about the tunic beach cover-ups, the tunic beach cover-ups are also there, and it almost looks like an oversized shirt. It's in a loose fitting, as you can see in the pictures. It's loose-fitting garment that ends slightly above the knees and is usually short-sleeved. And tunics for the beach are made of light fabrics such as chiffon, cotton. And there on the screen as all the items are made of crochet. So these are crochet beach cover-ups, and they are in a variety of colors and patterns. And these are very beautiful, and most of them come in a v-neck shape that will show off your swimsuit beneath. So tunics are flowy and are usually not tied with a belt normally, although some do have a drawstring waist. I hope you are liking all these ideas and you are loving these designs. And if you are planning to go on a beach vacation in near future sometime, so you can get ideas. And if you want to make your own beach cover-ups, even then you can make your own by taking ideas. If you are liking this video, I request all of you to please hit like and keep watching my channel, because in future I would be sharing so many other useful ideas for all my viewers. And there are also some kaftan beach cover-ups. And when kaftan talking about kaftan beach cover-ups, it's an ankle length long or short sleeve flowy garment, and this is a variant of the tunic, which is why you will see a lot of retailers mark what looks like a tunic as a kaftan. So these all are in a variety, and these are very beautiful. Whatever you go for, it depends upon your own choice. So you can go for anything that you want. You can go for a tunic or a kaftan beach cover up, and crochet offers you a variety of styles. You can go for any design, any kind of pattern that suits you the best, that you can make very easily. Even you can purchase these kind of outfits or cover-ups from the market, and if you make yourself, it is very good. And if you want to buy, even then it's very good. And even if any of your near and dear ones is planning to go on a beach vacation, even you can make these kind of beach cover-ups and give to those persons or your friends. And I'm sure he or she would be loving these kind of dresses, because these are just love and looks so beautiful and perfect. Because it is not only about style, it is about comfort, it is about protection, it is about so many other things. So we have to consider all these things. I hope you like this video, and keep watching, and let me know if you want to see something else and any other collections. I would be loving to hear from your side. Thank you so much for your support. We will meet in another very beautiful video. Thank you so much.